Are you looking for pressure cooker? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the 5 best pressure cooker to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Instant Pot 4QT RIO Mini 7-in-1 Multi-Cooker. Pressure cooker, slow cook, sauté, steam, rice maker, yogurt, and warmer. Rose water, 4 quarts. Brand, Instant Pot. Capacity, 4 quarts. Material, stainless steel. Color, rose water. Finish type, matte. Special feature, programmable. Wattage, 800 watts. Item weight, 10.9 pounds. Control method, touch. 7 cooking functions. Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, cook rice, make yogurt, or keep your meals warm all in one compact device. Mini and mighty, easy to store, offering the same cooking surface as an 8-inch pan. Fun-sized capacity. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for up to 4 servings, ideal for students, singles, and small families. Cooking status at a glance. Progress indicator lets you monitor your cooking status with ease. Intentionally convenient. Anti-spin design ensures the pot stays steady for effortless stirring and sautéing. Colorful design. The rosewater finish adds a lovely modern touch to your kitchen. Good food done faster. Cook up to 70% faster compared to slow cooking methods.
Number 2. Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker. 3 cups uncooked for 1 to 3 people. Steamer and warmer. Fuzzy logic. One-touch cooking. 24-hour delay timer. Auto keep warm. Brand, Toshiba. Capacity, 3 cups. Power source, corded electric. Product care instructions, hand wash. Multifunction. This mini rice cooker cooks a variety of dishes, not just rice. Features 8 cooking functions, including white rice, quick cook, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake, and egg. This sticky rice cooker also makes soups, stews, oatmeal, cakes, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this Toshiba rice cooker 6-cup cooked offers great versatility and convenience. Highly versatile. This small rice cooker can make a variety of rice types, including brown rice, jasmine rice, sushi rice, white rice, basmati rice, and wild rice, as well as grains like oatmeal, quinoa, mixed grain, and more. This 3-cup rice cooker is perfect for families or individuals who want to cook multiple servings of rice while still being compact enough to fit comfortably on your kitchen counter.
Number 3. Cosori Pressure Cooker 6QT 9-in-1 Ceramic Coating Pot 12 Safety Features. Brand, Cosori. Capacity, 6 quarts. Material, stainless steel. Color, silver pressure cooker. Finish type, metallic. Special feature, 13-in-1 cooking presets, 9-in-1 cooking functions, cooking recipe book included, hassle-free steam release switch, non-stick ceramic coating inner pot. 13-in-1 cooking presets, 9-in-1 cooking functions, cooking recipe book included, hassle-free steam release switch, non-stick ceramic coating inner pot. Wattage, 1100 watts. Item weight, 11.9 pounds. Control method, touch. 9 machines in 1. Pressure cook, rice, steam, sterilize, oatmeal/porridge, stew/broth, bean/grain, meat/poultry, slow cook, sauté, ferment, sous vide, keep warm. Safer venting design. The seal/vent button away from the steam release value and the 30-degree backward-angled steam release design make a safer and easier venting. Easy to clean. Stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant housing, the 0.5-inch widened pot gap, and the dishwasher-safe lid, ceramic coating inner pot, and accessories make cleanup a breeze. Easy lid locking. To close and secure the lid, align the orange dot on the lid with the orange dot on the pressure cooker base and twist clockwise.
Number 4. Instant Pot Pro 8QT 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. Slow cooker, rice or grain cooker, steamer, sauté, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and warmer. Includes app with over 800 recipes. Brand, Instant Pot. Capacity, 8 quarts. Material, stainless steel. Finish type, matte. Special feature, programmable. Item weight, 15.8 pounds. Control method, touch. 10 cooking functions. Pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, sterilize, cook yogurt and rice, bake, steam, or simply keep warm. All in one easy appliance. Customizable smart programs. Tackle every recipe with 28 one-touch options covering all essential meals. Good food done faster. Preheat 20% faster and cook up to 70% faster compared to slow cooking methods. Convenient and easy steam release. Gentle steam release switch and diffusing cover allow you to confidently and quietly release steam every time.
Number 5. Cosori Rice Cooker 10 Cup
Fuzzy Logic Ceramic Coating Inner Pot 18-in-1. Brand, Cosori. Capacity, 10 cups. Power source, corded electric. Product care instructions, dishwasher safe. 18 functions rice maker. Choose from different types of white and brown rice with texture options, 3 types of grains, 3 types of oats, steamed vegetables, slow-cooked soups, and sauté flavored rice. Perfect rice with fuzzy logic. Whether you're a cooking novice or an experienced home cook, our rice cooker uses fuzzy logic technology to automatically adjust the 7-step cooking process, ensuring that you can get fluffy and evenly results. Effortless cooking. You can enjoy warm and fresh rice anytime with the automatic 24-hour keep warm and 24-hour delay timer functions. Quick cooking. The perfect rice is worth the wait, and our quick rice feature allows you to cook white rice more quickly in a pinch at 1000 watts of power without sacrificing taste or quality. Easy to clean. All accessories, including non-stick ceramic inner pot and removable lid, are dishwasher safe.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.